The number of coronavirus cases in India have crossed the 70,000 mark and risen to 70,756, including the 22,454 people who have been treated and discharged so far. 3,604 fresh coronavirus cases were reported in the last 24 hours. The death toll also rose to 2,293. According to the Health Ministry, the recovery rate stands at 31.15%. Limited railway services for regular passengers starts today. The trains on 15 special routes will run on full capacity. It will be up to the passengers to maintain social distancing. It will be mandatory for all passengers to download the Arogya Setu app on their phones. Only asymptomatic passengers will be allowed to board after screening. All those travelling must arrive 90 minutes before departure, and passengers have to bring their own linen. In the meeting with Prime Minister Modi yesterday, states like Maharashtra, Punjab, Telangana and West Bengal were of the opinion that the lockdown should be extended beyond May the 17th. Some other states like Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka had reservations on interstate transport, be it by rail or air, and wanted to be consulted before such decisions are taken. The states also wanted greater flexibility on classification of zones as red, orange and green. Prime Minister Modi seems to have hinted at another extension in the lockdown during the meeting with the chief ministers, suggesting that measures that were needed in the third phase of lockdown were not needed in the fourth. Prime Minister Modi reportedly said at the meeting that the government now has reasonably clear indication as to the geographical spread of the pandemic in India. Officials too have developed an understanding of operating procedures at a time like this, he said, indicating that more gradual relaxations are possible. Mobile data services have been restored in the Kashmir Valley except in Pulwama and Shopian districts. The internet speed shall, however, remain restricted to 2G only. Mobile and internet services except on BSNL postpaid were snapped in the valley after Hizbul commander Riaz Naiku was killed in an encounter with security forces in Pulwama district of South Kashmir.